Hi friends! Welcome back to Uthra Srini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Rainy day. What goes well with rain? A nice hot cup of tea and some deep-fried delicious snacks. Today we are going to make some delicious but healthy snacks from the region of Karnataka. We are making finger millet Mangalore Bonda or fried finger millet dumplings along with some spicy coconut chutney. Usually this dish prepared using all-purpose flour and yogurt. Let's first prepare the batter. To a mixing bowl, add finger millet flour. Now we're using finger millet flour, but you could use any millet flour of your choice. Sour yogurt. Finely chopped green chili. Finely chopped ginger. Asafoetida powder. Baking soda. Salt, cumin seeds, black peppercorns, finely chopped curry leaves and cilantro. Mix well. You can use a whisk, a spoon, or your hands to mix everything well. I recommend to use your hands and mix them well. After all, the point of cooking is to make sure your hands get dirty. Beat the batter for 2 to 3 minutes. This will add air to the batter, which will help our bondas be light and fluffy. Cover and set it aside for 15 to 20 minutes. While the batter is resting, let's make our spicy seasoned coconut chutney. To a mixer, add roasted chana dal, coconut, green chili, salt, garlic, ginger, tamarind pulp, and water. Cover and grind into a smooth paste. Transfer chutney to a bowl. Let's season the chutney. Heat a pan with some oil. Once oil is hot, add mustard seeds and allow it to crackle. Add urad dal and roast until golden brown. Add curry leaves, fry well, add seasoning on top of the chutney. Set it aside until serving. The oil has heated and it's ready. Now it's time to make some yummy bondas. Put hands in water. And take small portions of the batter. Roll it and drop it in hot oil. Now, when you're putting the batter, make sure you drop it slowly in the oil. If you just drop it really fast, it's going to splatter all over your hands and you're going to get hurt. Now, you could use a spoon to do this. Fry bonda in hot oil for 2 to 3 minutes or until the batter is evenly cooked. Once the bondas are cooked, remove from oil and place them on a paper towel lined plate. Repeat the same process to fry all bondas. I think Honda's favorite food is bonda. Are you wondering why? Because they rhyme. Honda, bonda, get it? Now, comment down below if you like our jokes and you want much more. Serve bondas hot with coconut chutney and tea. You don't know which tea to make? Well, you know we got you covered. Make sure to watch our Irani Chai video that pops up so you can make a nice cup of chai. Crispy on the outside, soft and fluffy on the inside. It's healthy so you don't have to worry about how many you're eating. With spicy coconut chutney and a cup of Irani Chai. Wow, that's an amazing dish. If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our channel, please like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to receive our updates. Catch you soon in our next video. Bye!